2024 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Got factory converter up there, secondary converter there. Then we took off the mid muffler and put a Flow FX in its place. Give it a nice deep tone instead of the resonator. Then 2-inch pipe. Then we made a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see, to run duals out the back, all the way from North Carolina. We appreciate them coming down, bro. We really do. And then we put quad tips out the back, some Natami quad tips, as you guys can see there and there. There's the custom Y pipe we did. Just came out really clean, really nice. Exhaust Addicts team always does it perfect. And these on the 4-cylinder SEs, they have a cover right there that goes on this side. You just take off the cover, a couple of bolts, and then you can run duals because it's the same platform as the TRD. So when you do that, then you can run like a TRD look, that's what we were trying to accomplish on this one. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And this is the resonator that was on it, and that's the single muffler that was on it that we took off. If you like us and like our videos, make sure you subscribe. Much better. Nice idle to it, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. At 105. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our phone number if you guys ever want to give us a call. This is the Daytona edition. Toyota Camry. A lot of carbon fiber accents. It's clean, man. It came out nice. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? So, another happy customer going back to North Carolina. From any state you guys want, come on down and see us. We'll get you hooked up. Sounds clean with the Flow effects. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. Flowmaster Flow FX duals. You can still hear it.